Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to generate a waiting line, a long queue for your Blender 5.2 just in a few seconds. How to make this? You can see all these people, they line up and they are waiting for something. How to generate it? You can just make it long, you can just make it short. So I'm going to show you all the details there. Let's go. I generated the waiting lines by using the iClone 8 animation pipeline software. This is a free software. If you download the iClone 8 Personal, you can just get it from my video description. Get it for free. And I'm going to show you all the step-by-step how to just generate it and send it to Blender. So now I'm going to just close everything. In iClone 8, I'm going to just start a fresh new project here. Then next, you need to make sure go to the template under the project folder, actor group, random folder, and go into the waiting line folder. Then there are two options, 3 waitings or 5 waiting. I'm going to just choose 5 waiting to just let the icon to generate the waiting crowd first. So I double click the 5 waiting line, a 5-person queue, and now the iClone 8 is creating the randomizer, the randomize actor group. You can just take randomize actors so that you can see different faces, different crowds, and then randomize the starting frames, randomize motions. Then for the repetition, I'm going to just put 900 frames. Then I click randomize. It is going to randomize everything. Just wait for a few seconds. Now it's done. You can see different faces, different clothes, different body motions. There are 5-person waiting line, 5-person queue. Then I click OK, and now I can just try to test play. Right, if you feel satisfied, you can just export as FBX. Click File, Export FBX. Then the target tool preset, choose Blender. And then embed the textures. The export range, just choose the range up to 900 frames. I'm going to just choose from 0 frame to 900 frames. Embed the texture. This is very important to make sure all of the material texture embedded inside the FBX file exported. Then I click export, and as demo, I will just export it on my desktop. I will just create a new folder, name this as waiting line 01. The file name this as waiting line 01. Click save. Now it is exporting. Just wait for a few seconds. The iClone 8 animation pipeline is exporting the FBX file. The target tool preset is Blender. Now the FBX file is already exported. Now I'm going to import it into Blender 5.2. Open the Blender 5.2. At this moment, I'm going to just click the empty area. I press A and press delete to delete everything from the 3D scene. This is a fresh new Blender project file. Right, then open the folder of the waiting line 01. Drag and drop the FBX file into Blender 5.2. Make sure you select import the animations, then click import FBX. Once you click import FBX, just wait for a while. Now let's have a look. You have a cube, you can just delete it. Then turn on the material texture, and then now you can see that there's some animations here. There are some animations. And then next, you can see there are so many lights reflection. Just click any of the 3D avatar in the crowd, then go to the material, make the roughness, set the roughness to become 0 so that it won't reflect too much lights. Set the roughness to 0. Click, set the roughness to 0. Now everything are ready. If you try to play, you can see the whole waiting line, the whole 5-person queues. It is ready for your Blender 3D animations. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to generate the waiting lines, the 5-person waiting queues for your Blender 5.2 3D animation software just by using the iClone 8 animation pipeline. It is free for downloading the iClone 8 Personal. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!